Hi guys, David here with MarineMax Miami, and today I am on board a new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. And yes, you heard me right, the new 23 is an SDX, no longer an SPX, which is really exciting. This boat is powered by a Mercury 250 V8 Verado, great power plant for a boat this size, and it's a great engine overall. As we make our way further into the boat, we have a swim platform and a ski tow pylon, so you can go water skiing, tubing, do all those fun activities. As we make our way in, we have this great sun pad right here. You can lounge, grab some sun, just relax and enjoy your day on the water. As we make our way further into the boat, Sea Ray has its very famous L-shaped seating here where you can see lots of people comfortably relax, enjoy, and you sit under this amazing power tower that has this big bimini top. One of the big new features for this model year is this tower actually goes up and down with just the push of a button, which is really easy and is a nice feature on Sea Ray's part. As we make our way further into the boat, both these seats have bolsters that flip forward or backwards depending on how you're wanting to use the space. So the backrests actually flip, and then the bottom bolsters can rise up or down depending on whether you're wanting to sit from a little higher vantage point or stand if you're driving, or if you just want it down to have a little more leg room and lounge out, you can do that too. As we make our way into the helm, we have our 9-inch Simrad screen here, which gives you GPS, transducer, Mercury vessel view that gives you your engine data. We have our Mercury electric throttle right here, Sea Ray steering wheel, all our controls for the boat, and a little storage cubby right here. On this side, we have our Fusion stereo. You can Bluetooth your phone right to it and listen to all your favorite music. One of the things I'd like to touch on this particular boat is this dune interior. I think the boat wears it, excuse me, I think the boat wears it really well, and the hull color is actually Sea Ray blue, which is a nice color combination. As we make our way forward, we have our head compartment here, and this top part can actually go in, so you can have air circulating through the head compartment. As we make our way towards the bow, we have an air dam here, as well as a folding windshield that allows you to block out the wind if it's a very windy day. As we make our way onto the bow, we have two loungers on the sides. We have one here where you can lounge two people and one here for a single person. We have our anchor locker right here. And then that anchor locker also has a fold-out ladder at the bow, as well as one on the swim platform, so you can get on or off the boat on both sides. Guys, this is the new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. I'd love to show it to you. Come check it out at MarineMax Miami. I'd be happy to help you get out on the water. Come see us.